Hello and welcome to India Today. This is Anita in conversation with Sunny Kaushal and Nusrat, who are here to talk about the very special film and song. Hi.
Hi.
Let's begin by talking about the song. Like I said, very catchy, very interesting. Please tell us about the song. क्या यही प्यार है?
About the song, so song forms a very integral part of the film actually, because यहाँ पे आपको देखने को मिलता है झूलन and डड्डू, उनकी जो लव स्टोरी है, their love story and how they are with each other in everyday life, you know, because the song takes place when they are already in love. They are childhood sweethearts, so you don't see them falling in love or anything. They are already there and in a very tight relationship, you know. So that's what the song's journey is, as to how Jhulan and Daddu are with each other. It's their relationship.
Just like this?
Yeah, just like this.
कैसा है ये रिलेशन, कैसा है ये बताइए.
बड़ा प्यारा, बड़ा मज़ेदार, बड़ा रियल, और इंडस्ट्री में बहुत कम दोस्तियाँ होती है, एटलीस्ट मेरी बहुत कम रही है. और इतनी जल्दी एक इंसान से इतना वाइब करना या इतना घुल मिल जाना, इतनी एफर्टलेसली, कि हमारा कोई एजेंडा नहीं था एक दूसरे को जानने का. हम मतलब बहुत एक्टर्स होते हैं, फिल्म करके आप अपने घर हमने घर चले जाते हैं, बट मेरा और सनी का कुछ अजीब ही ईज था कि हम पहली ही मीटिंग से कंफर्टेबल हो गए. पहली ही मीटिंग से हम वैसे वाले दोस्त थे कि मैं उसको 4 महीने भी नहीं देखूं और उसको मिलूं तो मैं उसको 4 महीने की गॉसिप बता दूंगी मेरी लाइफ की, और सच बता दूंगी कि ये हुआ फिर सनी, फिर ये, फिर सनी ओके 5 मिनट सांस ले ले.
But that's actually good, na? Because that rubs on you and then it comes on your performance. It comes when your co-star is so.
बहुत बड़ा लग रहा है. हाँ, no, that is absolutely true. ये that really rubs on to your on-screen chemistry as well. Because अगर आप real life में एक दूसरे के साथ इतने comfortable हो कि आप कुछ भी एक दूसरे को बता सकते हो, तो वो on screen भी फिर वो carry होता है, तो आपको ना सोचना नहीं पड़ता, and you have that respect for each other when you're performing, so it becomes really easy.
I saw the trailer, quite interesting and something very different जो अभी तक हमने देखा नहीं है. Please tell me about the entire process and you know what was the reason for you all mainly to be part of this project.
यार I fell in love with झूलन. I fell in love with झूलन. मतलब मैंने ऐसा कैरेक्टर, ऐसी लड़की, ऐसी राइटिंग फॉर अ गर्ल बहुत कम देखी है, बहुत कम, मतलब मुझे तो मौका खैर कम ही मिला है करने का. तो जब ये मैंने पढ़ा था, मुझे डड्डू और झूलन की जो लव स्टोरी है, जो एक दूसरे के लिए वो है और करते हैं, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. आई फेल्ट कि मुझे ही झूलन करना है, नोबडी एल्स कैन डू दिस पार्ट, आई हैव टू डू दिस पार्ट. वो तो चलो मेरा वो एक ग्रीड था एज एन एक्टर दैट आई रियली लाइक दिस कैरेक्टर, तो मुझे करना था. बट इवन अ फिल्म ऑन द होल, आई थिंक इट्स वेरी ब्यूटिफुली रिटन कि जब ये हुआ था तब एक ऐसे लड़के की और एक ऐसी लड़की की जो लव स्टोरी थी, वो कैसे इम्पैक्ट हुई, उनके फ्यूचर को क्या हुआ, उनकी लाइफ्स कैसे चेंज हो गई suddenly with this drastic step that was taken. So I think it's that impact of what happened on the characters' lives that मेरे लिए was the most intriguing and the hooking point of the film, कि मैं इन किरदार से इन्वेस्ट हो गई कि अब इनकी लाइफ में आगे क्या होगा और ये कैसे इससे बाहर निकलेंगे.
Yeah, absolutely what she said, because ये although the film talks about Mandal Commission and the agitation that took place and everything, बहुत ही personal कहानी है ये कुछ
real life story.
No, I mean it's a fictional story, okay. But yeah, the backdrop is what really happened, okay. Right? The Mandal Commission that was passed, what really happened. So that's the backdrop, that is the reality. But the lives are fictional, the story is fictional, right? But it's just showing कि कैसे लोगों की life उस चीज़ से affect हुई थी, you know. So I think that was also my thing to do the film. एक तो मैंने कभी ऐसी कहानी पढ़ी नहीं थी और मुझे मंडल कमीशन के बारे में ज़्यादा पता भी नहीं था, तो इट वाज अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ समथिंग व्हिच वाज वेरी न्यू टू मी. और इस फिल्म में ना हम कुछ किसी चीज़ को नेगेट करने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहे हैं, किसी चीज़ को ये कहने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहे हैं कि गलत था या सही था. इट्स अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव दैट इज़ प्रेजेंटेड कि अगर ऐसा होता तो क्या होता, एट द सेम टाइम शोइंग व्हाट happened and how it affected people's simple life, like, you know, two people being in love. Yeah.
Nusrat, you rightly mentioned, you know, ऐसे stories writing हुई नहीं है, but you're lucky, you have got really good characters you've played so far, like छोरी हो जाए, अजीब दास्तान, you had really good characters. What is the catch behind it? Like, what inspires you to do such films? And do you think you're at the right time right now, you know, getting such opportunities to
I
showcase?
think I'm at the best time an actor could ask for. Not only actors, I feel for the industry on a whole. राइटिंग बदल रही है, डायरेक्शन बदल रहा है, स्टोरीज बदल रही है, एंड इसका क्रेडिट मैं ऑडियंस को दूंगी. ऐसा नहीं कि हम खुद से लिख के बना के एक्ट करके बदल रहे हैं, क्योंकि लोग देख रहे हैं, लोग उसको एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं, लोग उसको प्रेस कर रहे हैं, लोग उसकी डिमांड बढ़ा रहे हैं, तब जाके ऐसे चीज़ें लिखी जाती है और बनती है. So touch wood, I think I'm in a great space. I think all of us as actors in this phase right now are damn lucky, बिकॉज हमें वो स्कोप है कि हम ऐसा कुछ कर पाए और कुछ अलग दिखा पाए, और हम करते हैं. मतलब आई थिंक आर्टिस्ट्स आर स्लाइटली मैड. I don't think any of us have ever played safe. I don't think any of us don't have some sort of mad streak. तो कोई ना कोई तो कुछ ना कुछ अलग कर ही देता है. Having said that, ये राइटिंग बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमेजिंग थी फॉर झूलन. I honestly want to say this. मैंने किया है प्यार का पंचनामा 1 किया है, 2 किया है, वो हर कैरेक्टर अपने स्पेस में अलग था, बट झूलन एकदम ही अलग थी. सो she has power, she has vulnerability, she has immense love, and she has clarity. मतलब all of those positive things that I aspire to be like Jhulan. Maybe that's what I can say in a nutshell.
So you could relate to somewhere
yeah.
to the character.
Relate, I want to be her. Relate तो वो हो गया कि अच्छा मुझे इस कैरेक्टर में अपनी झलक दिखती है, मैं इस कैरेक्टर से इंस्पायर हूँ, मैं इस कैरेक्टर की तरह बनना चाहती हूँ, तो वो और बड़ी बात है. You've gone above what the character is and kind of tried to connect to it. So
I'm happy that people are seeing you in a different light altogether after Panchnama 1 and 2, because I remember once when we were having conversations, there were people who were only thinking of you and your character to be like that in all the films. You're happy right now?
Yeah, very happy. I think from the pandemic to now, there's a lot of change in me. मतलब ऐसे बाहर से दिखे ना, but as I think internally as a person I've calmed down a lot. I've become content a lot with where I am and how I am, and I've started kind of concentrating on the things that matter to me more than what should matter in the grand aspect of life. तो मैंने अपना एक पाथ अपने लिए, I'm not even talking professionally, personally मैंने अपना एक सेटअप अच्छे से कंफर्टेबली बना दिया है, वेयर आई लाइक ऑपरेटिंग फ्रॉम एंड वेयर आई लाइक गोइंग बैक टू. तो अब मुझे कोई आसानी से रैटल नहीं कर सकता, छेड़ नहीं सकता. मतलब मैं एक्चुअली बॉदर तो बहुत कम भी होती थी पहले. एक्चुअली इमोशनल तो मैं हूँ, बट फिर भी मेरा उस वक्त निकल जाता है, फिर मैं ओके हो जाती हूँ. बट आई हैव रियली चेंज्ड ओवर द लास्ट 2 years, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स प्योरली एंड मेनली बिकॉज ऑफ द फिल्म्स दैट आई हैव डन. It's given me a center, if I can say that. It centered me.
Sunny, I loved your performance in Shiddat. I really loved it, and I can see that growth as an actor in this. You can't compare your character in Shiddat and this.
Yeah.
बहुत difference है.
Yeah.
But it is good to see you doing that. As an actor, what challenges you, and how do you see your roles?
Yeah, like you said, it's very different. So that was one thing that also kind of sparked that thing in me to play Daddu, because it was वो इतना अलग है मुझसे. It's so far away from who I really am that I was like, ये चलो, it's a good thing to if I can play this character convincingly, it'll be good for me. So it's like testing your own waters कि तुम कितना कर सकते हो and how much you can grow. And यार हमेशा वही होता है. You want to be a part of the story that connects with you. You want to be a part of the story that you feel that people will connect with, and you want to play and portray characters that have some kind of substance and depth in them, so that you are able to, and reality, so that you're able to convey the deeper emotion to the audience of what the film is trying to say, because at the end of the day it's the film ka story that you're portraying, right? And you're the faces of the story. So yeah, I always look for that. Baki to yaar jo bhagwan ki marzi ho wohi karte hain.
But as an actor, do you have any inhibitions? Any limitation, any inhibitions?
No, I haven't found any yet. I found difficulties of doing something, but failed, learned, and then kind of tried to conquer it. But I don't think, you really don't know till you touch upon that kind of a thing. So I don't know if I have any inhibitions or shortcomings as an actor. If I get a role which will show me that mirror, probably that time I'll be able to give this answer in a better way. But right now, I choose to believe that I don't have.
Right. What was the most difficult part of shooting this film?
This film. Hurdang.
Hurdang.
I don't think there was any difficult part. मुझे तो कोई मुश्किल तो part नहीं लगा.
क्योंकि तुमने agitation के scenes shoot नहीं किए ना.
Correct.
So the whole shooting of the whole agitation was very difficult, and difficult I would say because we had to maintain the authenticity of the scenes, and also because इतने सारे लोग थे. I remember there was this one day जहाँ पे बारिश भी हो रही है, नारेबाजी भी हो रही है, barricades लगाए हुए हैं पुलिस के. Then there are around 300 to 400 children who are there as students, and the beauty was that they were actually in it. Like अगले दिन सबका गला बैठा हुआ था चिल्ला चिल्ला कर, and they all were a part of it. But shooting those things were a bit time consuming and a little difficult to get everybody on the same page, you know. Yeah.
For her was
I don't think there was anything difficult in the film. I had the easiest co-actor. Bro. I had an amazing director and we just had fun. We really just had fun. मतलब एक पॉइंट था जब मैं कहती थी सीन हो गया, अरे इतना मज़ेदार सीन था, दोबारा शूट कर लेते हैं, ज़रा और मज़ा आएगा करते हुए. So I've just had a blast on the film, like really.
तो आप दोनों अपने अपना आप इनकी एक क्वालिटी बताइए, आप इनकी बताइए, और समथिंग दैट यू डोंट लाइक अबाउट हर. Okay, one quality and what? Yes, one thing that you like and dislike about each other.
Yeah, when I'm thinking what I.
अच्छा लाइक बता दीजिए पहले.
What I like about Sunny is very easy. मैं कुछ भी बोल देती हूँ एंड बहुत लोगों को बहुत बुरा लग सकता है, मुझे फ़िल्टर रखना पड़ता है अपने आसपास, बट ही हैज़ नॉट फेल्ट बैड एंड यू कैन टेल कि अरे इसकी शक्ल बदल गई, ये ऑफेंड हो गया. ये नहीं है वैसा. आई थिंक ही सीन मी इन द राइट लाइट. इट्स नॉट लाइक वो इंसान नहीं कि ऑफेंड ही नहीं हो सकता. ऑफ कोर्स ही कैन टेक ऑफेंस टू समथिंग दैट सेड रॉन्गली, बट ही हैज़ ऑलवेज सीन मी एंड माई इंटेंशन इन द राइट लाइट, वेयर मैंने गलती से क्या मैंने मीनिंगफुली भी कुछ बोल दिया हो, एंड लाइक अरे सनी मतलब वैसा नहीं, यू नो. सो ही इज लाइक अरे मेरे को पता है, चिल कर, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सो जस्ट दैट कंफर्ट ऑफ यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट कि आप क्या बोलने वाले हो, आप क्या कहने वाले हो, क्या करने वाले हो. इट्स फॉर मी दैट्स द बेस्ट कंफर्ट एज एन एक्टर, where I don't have to think 20 times about who's around me, what am I doing, what am I saying. That for me is a great sort of strength, anchor and support to have in a co-actor. So yeah, that's what I like about Sunny.
Thanks यार, तो पानी हो गया. इतनी कोई तारीफ कर दे तो नहीं, but that.
I have one thing I don't like about you. He's not doing enough films with me.
Yeah, hopefully after this things change, because I would love to. Like she said, I mean the flip side to what she said is it's because yes, she talks a lot, okay, and but that's one thing that I really like about her, and she has no filter, but it comes from a very pure place. So which is one of the reasons why we could become such good friends, to be able to pull off Jhulan and Daddu and their love story convincingly. I mean, baki audience batayegi, but for us though it was very convincing. But that's what I love about her, that she doesn't care about people. She's so confident with herself and who she is that it's really beautiful. And you know, that translates when that thing translates in a scene. And you see how her honesty kind of comes across. It's really empowering as an actor, because you feel like, oh, अरे भाई ये तो थोड़ा कमाल का हो गया, ये तो मज़ा आ गया करके, you know. So that I really love about her. And what I don't like about her is I can't think of anything. I'm sure there is something. I am not being very sweet. I'm sure there is something. I just can't think about it.
We just really can't think about it.
Yeah, मतलब I'm sure there is something.
I think next time when we meet कुछ याद आ जाए तो बता देना याद से.
बिल्कुल.
ठीक. Nushrut, you have a great lineup of films coming up. What are you excited? Touch wood. What are you most excited about? You have Ram Setu, you have Selfie. So please tell us. Jannat Mein Jari. Yes.
That's all I know.
No, you have 5, I think. No, 3, 5.
I have one.
Yes, you have.
Announced them.
Yes.
So I have been back to back shooting for almost a year now. And I also don't remember how many films I finished. And I don't remember how many are ready to release also. I genuinely don't. I have to sit and count them back. Oh, ye bhi thi. So touch wood, I'm just really happy that I've been able to do it all. and that people have come to me with films and that I've done justice to them, I hope. What am I most excited about? I think I would say Ram Setu.
Yeah, you have 2 films with Akshay actually.
Yeah, but because it was the first one with Akshay sir, I'll always remember वो पहला shot जो मैं अक्षय सर के सामने खड़ी थी और मैं सोच रही थी मैं कैसे dialogue बोलूँगी, मैं कहाँ देखूँ, मैं क्या करूँ. He knows this. I'm not somebody who gets intimidated like that. But it was not intimidating. It was just nervousness because he's Akshay sir, right? Like, I'm like, I really hope I get it right. I really hope I do well. I really hope I don't fall off the stool. So all of those fears, I think. But I think because it was my first with him, that'll be the one I'll be most excited about.
He's a prankster on set, and we all know because he's done one with us, with me. So I know how big a prankster he is. How was he on the sets? कुछ हुआ?
Yeah,
बहुत कुछ.
हाँ, but ये मैं आपको राम सेतु के प्रमोशन में बताऊंगी, वरना तब नहीं होगा ना कुछ बोलने.
नहीं, वो टाइम पे वो अगर बाजू में रहेंगे कुछ. If he's there next to you, I'm sure वो टाइम पे भी कुछ होगा. हाँ, 110%. Sunny, what about you? What do you have next?
Oh, so I have Hurdang, 8th April, देखिएगा. Then I have Millie with Janhvi Kapoor and Manoj Pawar sir. Very, very interesting film. Then I have Chor Nikal Ke Bhaga with Yami Gautam. So हाँ फिलहाल तो ये है. Then there are interesting things happening. Pipeline में काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं, पता चलेंगी.
I've heard very good things about Millie.
It's
I've
beautiful.
spoken to few people and they all have given me some good, backstory on how it is. Yeah. How was the experience working with
Very good,
Janhvi?
very good. It's beautiful. So the original film Helen, that was a Malayali film. That's
I
also a
watched
very
it.
beautiful film. And so that's what I was just like, I really need to be a part of this film, you know. बहुत मज़ा आया था उस पर.
Awesome. Well, on that note, thank you so much for doing this and
Thank
thank you for this interview. All the very best for all your projects. Looking forward to it.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a
Thank you.
lot.